Hey guys, and welcome back to a new update video for Aimogen, and this time suggested by you guys was a new feature for the chatbot that will allow it to be automatically enabled between specific hours of each day, or to be enabled on specific days, or to be disabled on specific days of the week. So let me show you this in action. For this, I will go to the AI chatbot menu, website injection tab, and I will enable the chatbot for the front end. So let's save settings. You will notice that in the latest plugin updates, you will have these settings here. But let's not change anything now, and let's visit the front end, and here it is. The chatbot is available for us and it will be able to reply. So if you are curious, the times are relative to your server time. You can check your server time if you hover over this question mark, and the plugin will tell you that it's 11:31 a.m. on your server right now. So for this to be checked, let us say that, hey, I want to enable the chatbot only between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. each day. So for this, let's set up like this, save settings, and let's refresh the front end of our site. The chatbot disappeared. It's no longer there because we are not in this hour interval. However, today it's Friday. So let's see that this went to always show the chatbot. This means that it will always show the chatbot regardless if it is or not in this hour interval. So let's set this to Friday. If you hold down the Control key on your keyboard, you can select multiple values here, and let's save settings. And Friday, because we set it to Friday, the chatbot will once again appear. However, if it's Saturday, Sunday, and we are not in this hour interval, then the chatbot will not appear. Also, one more thing that I wanted to show you is that you can make the chatbot never appear on a specific day if you use this settings field. So let's remove the others changes that I made, and if I refresh it, the chatbot is appearing. However, if we set the never show the chatbot on Friday, then the chatbot will disappear if we reload our site. So keep in mind, you can set up schedules for the chatbot like this. So let's say you want the chatbot to only work between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. and days when always to show the chatbot, you can leave this empty. Days when to never show the chatbot, you can set this to Saturday, Sunday. So this will mean that the chatbot will appear on working days between working hours and never on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so let me know what you think of this update. If you have more ideas, let me know in the comments of this video. Every comment is welcome, and like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed these updates. This is all for today. Until next time, bye bye.